Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you an African dish. This is specifically a Ghanaian dish, and it is called Wakye. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, one of the main ingredients in this recipe is the leaves, and you can get this from any African or Asian shop. It's, natural and it gives the rice, the brownish red color. So, you need to wash it very well. As you can see, they've been washed and cleaned very well. I'll put it in a large pan and come in with some water. Put this up and let it boil for about 20 minutes. The longer it boils, the more vivid the color becomes. After boiling, I'll get them out of the water. And I'm using white beans in this recipe. This has been cooked and it is soft. Pour the beans into the colored water. I'll come in with my washed rice. Here I'm using basmati rice. There is no correct or wrong amount or ratio of rice to beans. Some people prefer to have more rice than beans, and others prefer the same quantity. So, I mean, it's just a matter of choice. I'll come in with some salt and I'll mix everything up. To make the color more intense, I'll be cooking this with some more leaves. I'll just add about 3 or 4 leaves and push them down, cover it up, and let it cook on medium flame. For about 15 minutes and I'll just check on it. It is not ready, but it's coming out great. I'll get the leaves out and I'll cover this up with an aluminium foil. This is not necessary, but then I do it to help trap in the moisture so as not to add excess water. I'll then cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes more. After about 10 minutes, as you can see, it is ready. The rice is soft, the beans are soft, and I'll just put off the flame. It's usually accompanied by some spaghetti. So basically, I've got some cooked spaghetti here. I'll just add a few spoons of my fish or meat sauce and set it aside. It is also usually eaten together with some cassava grits. So I'll just get a little bit into my bowl and come in with about 3 tablespoonful of water, mix it up very well, then come in with about 2 to 3 tablespoonful of my sauce and continue mixing. After which I'll set it aside for later. After which I'll set it aside for later. Now I'll dish out the rice and add the condiments. So I've got my spaghetti, my cassava grits, beef stew. If you don't know how to make this, I have the recipe in the description box. I'll come in with an egg and some typical super spicy black pepper sauce. And a little bit of salad never hurts anyone. Complete meal. This wache is super delicious. You definitely need to give this a try. I tell you, you can't stop at one. Okay, guys, so I hope I did help you. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.